Hello guys, welcome to Hard Rock Adventure Park. The park was closed for many months due to the current incident occurred in the state. But worry not, from today onwards the park will be reopened for everyone. It is located in SP Ngwimun village Southern Hills and can be easily found through Google Maps. So, come and enjoy the precious time with your special ones.
Hello, muntinam supi ulen auti hozusi. Galung kipat napanin Hard Rock Adventure Park yang hi anak kikhah in. Hijong le tuni ni kohin hiji Hard Rock Adventure Park yang hi. Ang kita awan kitan. Muntinam supi ulen au hozusi. Ko hijong le nong enjoy kit theu hitai. Sile hiji Hard Rock Adventure Park ngahin. Activities atha yang tampi yamin. Tuhin activities ho chui bibiham ngai lanan ne.
Entry fee chu ahi le jani ahi in free activities ho chu ahi le boating ahi in ani na a water joring ahi in athum na a kids area ali na a trampoline anga na in archery dark cycling rock climbing cho si hi free activities ahi
chule extra charge ho chu zip line horse riding mechanical bull cycle riding chule tree top trekking.
Tua ho sing chu hiale activity so hitain tuhin activity so chu aban nei chan dalhana ga nei hite oh.
Yo guys, we have reached the destination and now me and my friends gonna head to the counter to book our tickets. So, here is the ticket counter and there's a beautiful lady sitting here. We're having a conversation, we're talking about the activities and all. So we bought our tickets, we came, and now I'm gonna enter, sorry, me and my friend's gonna enter the park now. And this is a water joring. We're gonna be sitting inside this big balloon, it's waving around, and it kinda make me feel dizzy. And there's this guy rolling up and down. It's kind of mess. We're all a mess. I'm feeling dizzy. I can't even talk properly right now. And we get off from the water joring. And one of my friend broke her clip and one came out dancing. She's enjoying a lot and look at me. We have done our first activity, now we are moving towards the next one and on the way we found a boat. Oh guys, we're gonna go ride a boat now with my friends. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Yo, I'm surfing.
Hello mono.
Okay, we came out after we rode a boat and now we're gonna be heading to my favorite area. This is the kids area.
Kids area. Come on guys.
There's a lot of new activities.
Hello guys. It's kids area hin. It's sapang ho da athanom atha hin. Sapang ho hinzo no vale.
Gonna ride a bike. What do you call this? Is this a scooty or what do they say? It reminds me of my childhood movie Zadu. And this is a big balloon slide. Hey girl, be careful. Whoa, there's a bull.
Hello guys, this
can
is
ride
the
a
new
bull too.
activities for the kids area and right now we will see how it works.
My friend, oh no, she's gonna fall. Can she hang on? Oh my god, she's enjoying riding it. She's enjoying riding it. And look at me there, laughing. Yeah, a cowboy. Yo, bro. He not only good at riding, he somehow do the smooth style, bro. But don't ride it so hard, you may fall. Okay, look, he finally fell down. And guys, even if you bring your kids or anyone who can disturb you, you can let them play around anywhere and you can enjoy the dating or your precious time. There is a photo booth, a hard rock photo booth, which is full of floral. And it's a seesaw, but the ones which is hanging, it's not connected to the bottom, and we just throw a pause. Well, my aim is the better one. And finally, guys, look, we got a bow and arrow. Boing. Well, she looks so good. Okay, she hit the spot. I'm gonna aim for the spot. Well.
Hello guys! Finally, it's time for the zip line, and so today will be my first experience, and I'm scared, but let's see how I feel.
Don't worry, you will safe landed, okay? How do you feel? You feel nothing? Afraid? Scared? Don't worry.
Because I'm going more like
Okay, one, jump, okay?
Hello guys, Hard Rock Adventure Park hi kikhah hon kitan activity song athanom kyong ta hi zip line kong tor shooting hin mun tinam su piu na ho nong ki pen thei hitan kyo yang tin khoin ka chiwin anumin no jong family loyal pai do ma cha cha pial pial on hong teu hin na ipi yang le kai ka su chi tang yong ayong okay guys, see you. Hello guys, hilai mun hi le Hard Rock Adventure Park night camping mun hi hilau hin ki book thei hin book na ding hi le noi la kang tola na ki book jing thei hin na loi na pai hi hanang hilau le wedding photo na kap no mau la hong theu hin amun hian nu mo mongin. Hello guys, noi la ngang khun camping mun khadam kinin chlai mun ga bekin hoitin camping mun noi lang pa ka chi hoitin yao pian pian lang ka thon amin. Wow baby, wow. Do man nei lo hong isang ang chi the do man nei hong chi the hin mun ni pian so I know more again. Everything was made by wood. So this is the view. Chia view pulang hin. Rumi ho tu hin. Nga lili Linda. Lai hong yo chi sulang view jong no min oh. This was made by pure wood. Chi sung hin. Selain cameraman Paul min, Sasa min, camera boy min oh. Selain hi, no wala ni ki book wala. The night is yours. So here, the rest of them có cái chi viên, có cái viên, chẳng hạn nuôi là pong viên, chúng là pong có viên, rest of ông cái sai kitan, tại công sự to cái điều, tại host có cái right điều hin. Hello guys, this will be an exciting moment. So this will be a cycling. So get started. Hello guys, hanung balin cycling him single jongamin double jongamin hungina hung kichi movin anom barjing ini harong adventure park.
Hello guys, now it's time for horse ride, and this is one of my biggest dreams. Today my dreams comes true and I'm so excited, and now I will be riding, and let's see how it works.
Hello guys, tua hi horse ride Cambodia. Jadi kayak di ngayong kahin ko adi nga ang masapen ni. Dapat kasi itabang ham ki kahin na. Ano me.
Hello guys, tuni ahi horse riding nabol diu hin na. Ji abona ahung nom chan hong pheu hin. Feeding I'm the first time hin. Anu ma nom ding na. Ele ahung nom se mai muna har ro na hin hong ba le horse riding ke mu se se. Oh, okay, let's go.
Come on.
Come on guys, come and have a try.
Hello everyone.
The adventure where every single person long for. Well, this is a place where you, your family, and everyone can have a little adventure. Each scenario has a great view when it comes to wedding photo shoot or whatever. A time well spent with family and friends. Place where the unlimited adventure people would long for. Thank you so much.
Hello guys, tuhin activities also apa nei chan ka hin vevin apa nei chan ka hung kichi movin anup le jing in ka enjoy le jing ovin hiji chun no jong so piule now family a hen nang personal a hi jong le nang visit ne ba you can come and enjoy na anum war jing in tunia din video hi chanin ki chai tai